Today on the bench we have a flash drive that is in two pieces. The customer accidentally broke this and was wondering if we'd be able to recover the data for them. Let's see what we can do. We have to start by exposing the copper traces for each of the 4 pins since the pads were torn off with the connector. I like to use an electric grinding pen to easily remove the copper mask, and its pointed tip allows us to use it on some very small traces like the ones here. Next we apply some flux so we can get some solder on the freshly exposed copper traces. This is prepping the connections that will allow us to attach a new USB port so we can access the drive. Then, for each of the traces, we solder an enameled wire to the prepared points. Because this wire has a coating on it, we don't have to worry about the wires touching each other, except where we have melted off the coating so we can solder it. That's why they do have to be carefully placed as to not risk any accidental bridging, but once we have them placed, we can apply some solder mask, and then we can connect our USB port pins to their appropriate wires. With the USB now carefully plugged in, we can see the drive shows up. Now we can get the customer's data moved to a new flash drive, and that is another successful repair.